speak about our most favorite people on the planet, our parents, and specifically how thankful we are to them. Despite the fact that our parents frustrate us on occasion, it goes without a shred of a doubt that we would not be where we are if it weren't for them. From the moment we entered into this world until we grew up enough to leave our houses, our parents make sure we never want for anything. Our food, clothes, and education are some of the basic necessities they provide us with. But the emotional support, knowing that there is someone out there who always has your back, no matter what you do. It is the most liberating feeling ever. And as such, we should be thankful to both our Creator and them. Parents are literally Allah's blessing. And we should be thankful to our parents for making us proud, for knowing when we need a shoulder to cry on, and when we needed a shove, at the back to get up and conquer the whole world, for making us into wonderful humans, for telling us from right to wrong. Parents are literally Allah's blessing. Tell them that you love them and appreciate them. I hope that all of us live with the love and care of our parents. Thank them enough. Thank you.